Now, when we have completed all the prerequisites for this installation, it's time to start the main topic of this video. Let's install the Magento platform. Remember, we're working under this way. This consists in download the compressed file, and now I'm going to install by the web setup wizard. We have of course, we have the option to install it by the command line, but like it's the first time you will install the Magento, so I prefer that you start with this by the web setup, because it offers a graphic interface, and one of these steps is to check all the prerequisites in the platform, in your operating system. And in command line, it's a little more complicated, but maybe in the second installation that you try, you could do the installation by this command line. Okay, I am in the Magento doc root. I have my files. This is the setup directory. This includes the index.php. And what else? Yes, if we install the Magento by the command line, we have this script. Remember, we add the x permission. It means that we can execute this command. Okay, now let's open the web browser. In my case, it's Firefox, and I'm going to write the URL to install Magento. This is the first time I'm going to open this URL, so I will be redirected automatically to the setup installation. Okay. Yes, now I am in the setup web page. Click over Agree and Setup Magento. Look, the version 2.3.3. Remember, read terms and agreement. You can press Ctrl, then click. Oh, let me check if I can do this. Go back. Let me see. Oh, here it is not functioning. Well, go back. Okay, I will click now in Agree and Set Magento. Next, look, this is the screen that is checking that we have completed all the prerequisites. Complete. Check OK in the PHP version 7.3.10. OK in PHP setting. Remember, php.ini file, PHP extensions. Remember, PHP -m to list all the extensions. Remember the library. Also the library and the file permission check. We accomplished with 5 of 5. So we're okay. Here is the php.ini reference. Click next. Let's go to write some information about our system. Database servers host, local host. Maybe we can write a remote database. Database server name, Magento 2, my password, my database name. Next. The URI, I can change here. 1, 2, 3, dev. The advanced options, I can take or touch anything from here. 1, 2, 3, div. Remember, this address, this plus this is the web page for the admin access. We can access to the admin panel. I must select default time zone, Mexican Pacific Standard Time, Hermosillo. I can see here the American Mexico City or maybe Monterrey. Let me check again. Sao Paulo, or in other case the GT. Oh, American Mexico Central Standard Time. Here we have Standard Time, Mexico City, Mexican pesos, Spanish Mexico. Now click on next. A username. This is for the admin account, so take the notes about the username, the email. Maybe you can recover the password in this mail, but only if you have configured the mail service. New password and confirm password. Write or take note and save that information in a secure place. Click on next. And the last step, 6, is start to install. Click. When I take the time about how many time spent in the installation, I took 10 minutes. So maybe it is a long time, but I will show you some advances, some progress. Maybe we need it is on 99%. Now let's wait. And yes, let's wait, and I record this video again when the process is almost finished. Now the progress is 91%, but the screen is in this percent for around 2 or 3 minutes. And if something is wrong, you can go to the logs and see what is happening. And look, I am in this path, www, HTML, Magento 2, bar, and log. Here I have the install log. So let's write tail to see the last lines. And here I can see this, my Magento URI. Look, progress 99.3 from 99.3, and this message. Success Magento installation complete. So I guess my my web screen is frozen. Frozen. So this could happen for maybe a timeout. So let's check. Let me check. Let's put the terminal again. Clear. Okay. Tail. Okay, because I am not sudo. So I have no permission. Let's see. Look the time. 23. And yes. This is when I start. Come online. Program. This. Timeout. Yes. Here we have. Specified has a spirit client. Maybe we can up to timeout the PHP file. So let me check. Let's see. Okay, the file is there. Get them out. Also timeout. We can change this. We can increase the time. Okay, and the other place, we have 3 places to see the logs. The first place is the Magento directory in these files. Remember? In one of these files, like this, we can see the last thing is telling me that the installation has finished. The second place is here. This directory, but we need to execute like sudo. And maybe in the last place, we can execute this. Okay, sudo. We have no logs here. So that's all. Okay, now, like the installation has finished, we can open again the root directory. Let's check and verify if at the end we can see our Magento platform running over operating system. Homepage, look the title. And voila! We have our Magento e-commerce platform running over virtual machine CentOS 8 version, PHP 7.3 version, Apache 2.4 version, and it looks okay. Maybe something about the styles, but it's okay. Some problems that I had was the first, when I can't see anything in the content, I only see a blank page. The other thing is that this menu is showing me like a text list, simple text list, Oh no, it is full. So that's all for this video. Uh, I'm going to write some conclusions about what I learned in this process, or the things you can take care about this process.